Hi kiddos, today welcome to Mr. Duncan Show. Today I'm going to show all you losers how to use Screencast-O-Matic, find it, download it on your computer, and then use it to record your college class. But I'm here tutoring you like your little high school kids, but that's my job, so I'm going to do it. So here you go. You just got to open a Google. See, I've got like a Google window open like this. And then you do a search on, boom, magic, Screencast-O-Matic. Then you click on Screencast-O-Matic. You click the Start Recording for Free button, and then it'll download the recorder, which I've already done, so I can't show you how to do that. But you just press the button. It's not tough. You're looking at it right now if you're staying with me. And once you do it, you launch, and it comes up with this window, and then all you got to do is run the program, and you don't have to be like this and have, you know, your picture in it like me. But there you go. Thanks for coming to the Mr. Duncan Show. Love you. See you next time. Take good care.